What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna take a little drive in the 5.0. Show you what the AWE catback sounds like. As you can see, it's got the black diamond tips. It's catback exhaust, stock headers, a little coach start. However you say it. Looks pretty good. Oh, got a pretty aggressive look. Needs some new wheels. Just don't know what kind of wheels to put on it. Got the GoPro mounted on my head. It looks crazy, sure does. Let's go for a little drive and see how the AWE track back, or it's not the track back, sorry, the AWE touring. My bad. AWE touring catback. Get some sound clips of it driving. Alrighty. Alrighty, here we go for some exhaust sounds. The window tint is dark. Got a good deep tone to it. Get these GoPro things over so they don't rattle. Yeah, like I say, it's got a good deep tone. I like how it sounds, about 3,000 RPMs and up. quiet as you want it to be. It's not like super loud, it gets aggravating on long trips. Right now I got it in sport mode, using the paddles. But if you just put it in drive and just driving down the highway, it's bearable. It's not real loud. I like the long tube headers on it. I think it would sound perfect. I want to go catted headers. I don't want to go catless and be, you know, extremely loud. I just like to have it a little bit louder and probably a little bit deeper too with long tube headers. Go downshift. Got a Coyote behind me. Trying to obey the law here. I don't want to race. Just trying to get a good exhaust clip video here. Just mellows right out. You know, traveling 57 mile an hour right now, 2,000 RPM. Go up here and turn. I'll shut my mouth and roll the windows down a little bit. And we'll get some more sounds with the windows down. What do you think about the view of the Cobra R hood? Which my GoPro, I gotta set best I can here. It looks like everything's bright outside when I'm looking at it on my phone, so hopefully it turns out good. But if it's window tint and the hood scoop, you don't have much field of view, that's for sure. Which it looks worse on camera, but it's not as bad as the camera puts off to be. Alright, let's go. Roll the window down here, and I'm going to shut up and let y'all listen to the exhaust. The AWE sounds like the downshifts are perfect the way they sound, and around 4,000 and up, I think it's the best sounding exhaust for the Coyote. Then, you know, beside the Corsa Extremes sound really good too. I just like this H-pipe. I have an X-pipe on my Roush, and it seems a lot more raspier than this H-pipe on the AWE. guys be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll comment down below what you'd like to see. I know there's a lot of Mustang out there. It's hard to be different. But y'all just like and subscribe. Be sure to comment. I'm gonna try to get some more upgrades to it. I'd like to do some wheels. It's coming along pretty good. We've got the tail lights. We've done the Cobra R hood. We got the iBox sport line lowering springs. AWE touring exhaust. We do need to get headers. I was gonna get my suction cup for the GoPro to put back on the trunk or on the side back there somewhere, so you can hear more of the exhaust, but I could not find the bolt that runs to the mount to tighten it up. Get ready to switch the camera over to the passenger side. Oh, I got a cool little mount set up here. We'll see how it looks.